Ka pai, anu. Kei te haere koe ki hea?
Kei te haere au ki te wharipaku.
Me tākaro tāua. O mai te poro. Tēnā koutou katoa. So as you might have already gathered, today's video is about asking someone where they're going using kei te haere koe ki hea. So what I'm going to do today is break that down for you into its grammatical parts, just to give you more of an understanding of how to ask someone where they're going. So, a verbal sentence in te reo Māori, what does it look like? Well, first of all, it starts with the tense. In our case today, we're using kei te, which means that it's taking place in the present tense. The tense is always followed by the verb or the action. In our case, it's kei te haere, meaning going. That's always followed by the agent or the doer of the action. Kei te haere koe. The last bit is the question, ki hea, to where. Kei te haere koe ki hea. In Tahatu's answer, in that clip that you might have heard, he used kei te haere au, ki te wharepaku. You'll notice that the answer maintains the same pattern as the question. So the question goes, kei te haere koe ki hea, tense, verb, noun, and the answer goes, kei te haere au ki te wharepaku, tense, verb, noun. Just like that. So there it is, whānau. So next time you want to know where someone's going, throw out the question, kei te haere koe ki hea.